Wellesley Farms, wraparound porch, commuter rail access. This one checks boxes that buyers usually compromise on. Shingle style character, beautiful curb appeal, and a brand new 2-car garage. The paver driveway extension and stonework complete the look. Inside, it's warm and timeless. A welcoming foyer and staircase, inviting living and dining spaces, and great flow for everyday life and entertaining. The eat-in kitchen anchors the main level with marble countertops and backsplash, great light, and a layout that just works. 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, including a primary suite with flexible bonus space that can be an office or sitting room, plus additional bedrooms on the 3rd floor. Behind the scenes, the upgrades are substantial. EV-ready 200-amp underground electrical, a high-efficiency Carrier Infinity gas and heat pump HVAC system, mass save insulation, restored windows, and thoughtful improvements throughout. And the lifestyle here is a major draw. Convenient access to the commuter rail and the brook path for walks and runs, plus Wellesley's restaurants, cafes, and shops. Curious about the Wellesley lifestyle? Reach out to me for more details.